Hey, it's Kimberly Barton at Kinetic Realty, and today I am checking out Layton Winery in Vienna, Maryland on the Eastern Shore. Today and tomorrow, they are holding their old-fashioned Christmas market. So let's take a look at what I find.
Layton's Chance sits on 14 acres of vineyards in the middle of a larger generational working farm. It's a beautiful November Saturday, a little chilly, a little windy, but fabulous for visiting a winery. And they allow dogs. Speaking of dogs, they even have a wine gift pack for dog lovers. Check this out, the farm white with a few little treats for the pet. They have a whole variety of gift packs, so you can pick out something that fits whomever you're giving to.
And oh my goodness, this is one of the wines I absolutely love from Layton's Chance. This is sort of like margarita in a bottle. Okay, one of the vendors that I discovered is called the Nut House Wine in Wood. Now, they have some amazing handcrafted wood and iron gifts that would make fabulous hostess gifts, holiday gifts, and for those who are into whiskey, wine, or beer, they have these really cool wine flight serving platters, and they're each individually made from wine barrels, and they're just really unique. Owners Brian and Wendy Young. They also have a website. I'll put the details below. And I also discovered Lauren Dumas, who has a glass stand there. She has some really beautiful light catchers and stained glass type of designs. I will put her information below as well. I also met Ashley of One Love Trading Post, which is an homage to the Spirit of the West. I just love her logo, the watercolor of the buffalo. She's not the artisan, but she is supporting other artisans who hail from Montana, Wyoming. She's got blankets and she has jewelry. So she's embracing the whole spirit of the West, and I'll put her details below. Okay, I met Monica Mraz of Doehrn, hopefully I'm pronouncing that correct, Tea Company. They're based in Oxford, Maryland, also on the Eastern Shore. And I picked up a sampler pack, and I absolutely love her logo. It's just perfect. I picked up a blend, which has pear bits, papaya bits, ginger bits, pink peppercorn, that should be interesting, and rose petals, Earl Grey, because Tex loves Earl Grey, and he's tried quite a few different ones, so we'll see how hers stacks up to one of his favorites. And lastly, I got the chamomile rooibos. I love rooibos tea. This one has rooibos, which means red bush, chamomile, lemongrass, coconut, lavender, and banana flavoring. That should be interesting. They're having a holiday tea in Oxford. I'll put the details below if you're interested. It sounds really cool. Okay, one of the other discoveries I made at this Christmas market was Tink candles, also made in Maryland. And I picked up 2 candles. One of them, it's called Coffee House. And I love the smell of coffee houses. In this one, it is literally like sitting in a coffee house. Another one I picked up was Citrus Sunshine, because it really does smell like a beautiful summer afternoon. So there's a vendor called Sprinkle Me Pink Cupcakes by Melanie. They are in Galestown, Maryland, and she has a range of beautiful cupcakes. These are a little worse for wear because I have been carrying them around the Christmas market and they got a little squinched. So
I'm sure they taste magical.
I like to make them into cupcake sandwiches. So Melanie does not have a website right now. You can find her at Layton's Chance Old Fashioned Christmas Market this weekend.